Hello guys, welcome back to Category Training. This is Hams. Today I will show you how to use these commands here. I create this toolbar. You can see here Hams toolbar. I'm gonna show you how to use Compute Clash, Network Assistant, Link, Unlink. This is for bundles. How to add a flag node, and how can we reorder our graph tree. Alright. For our harness, I just add these two supports and I create this bundle, and I add this connector just to finish our harness here because this is taking too long. And these tools here, you can find it in another workbenches like Assemble Design, electrical harness assemble too. Okay, let's start with Compute Clash. This tool has two options. Clash, it means if, for example, if I touch this one here, you can apply. I mean, you need to select two parts that you want to compare. Click apply. Is if the light is in green, it means there's no clash. But if you touch, for example, this, you can see a yellow light that is in contact, and when you have some interference, you're gonna see it on red. I like to use this one, the clearance, to check the wire harness, all the geometrical bundle, because sometimes you're gonna need clearance. Let's suppose we need a minimum clearance between these two of 10 millimeters here. Just you can change to 10 millimeters, click apply, and if you see something in green, it means it's not compliant. But let's suppose we only need 2 millimeters here. You're gonna see there's no interference. This is very useful when you need to have a harness that should be, for example, 3 inches from another part or from another bundles. So you can use this tool. And okay, this one, network assistance, just click on it and this is gonna tell you if your harness is not linked. So select the command, then select the bundle, and you can see all in orange, it means it's connected, and on the tree you can have it connected too. Alright, and this is to link bundles, and this one is to unlink bundles. So I'm gonna start with the unlink, and if you go near a breakpoint, you can see it say is connected. Just click near the breakpoint and it's gonna tell you if you want to disconnect the bundles. Just press OK. And now if we use this one to link the bundles, it's gonna, as you can see here, it doesn't any legend appear here. As you can see here, it says it's connected. So to connect these two bundles, just try to click near the breakpoint for the two bundles, and you can create agency continuity. I like to do it like that. So press OK, and now our bundle is connected. If you try to connect it again, you can see it's not possible. Okay, just let me unlink it. And now if we use the network assistance, you can see it going very fast to where it detects a link connection. So you can do it this one too, to create an automatic link. Just click yes, and it's gonna tell you repair is done. So now your bundle is connected again. Alright, and another thing to show you is the flag node with leader. This is useful when you have grommets or spacers that need to be installed on the airplane. Let's suppose we need to install a grommet here, but we don't have the 3D part. So just click on the flag node, click on the point where you want to add it. You can put press OK. Now you have your flag node. If you right click on the flag node, go to properties, you can have more options. You can put parallel to screen and zoom able. You apply, you can see how this works. If you remove the zoom able, you can see always have the same size. I like to use the zoom able because sometimes you have a lot of flag nodes, so in this way you don't have a mess. You can change the font, text, you can add values here, and just press OK. And you can hide this Dutch rectangle. Okay. And for last one, the wrap tree reorder. This one gonna help you to have better administration of your wrap tree. Just click on it, click the top of your product, and you're going to have this screen here. So for example, I want to have all the flangles together, so I want to move this one, suppose one level down. Now you have all the flankers. If you click apply, it's gonna move it here. So another way to move the stuff is just click on it and just click moves to selected product. You click on it, and let's suppose I want to move this bundle to down, this one here. Just click on the other product that you want to put it down, and it's gonna move it. I'm gonna move this splice to the top. Now our splice is here, or you can put it here. I'm gonna move the other splice here, and just press apply or OK. There's another tool, but I don't remember how to add it when you're working on assemble, but it's on generative shape design. It's called Porcupine Analyze. This is very useful. I'm gonna try to put it on the next video. This is very helpful because it's gonna tell you how much radio you have on your bundles, because sometimes you need to comply with some bend radius, a minimum bend radius. So in that way, you can put heat curvature radius. Try to put curvilium, then it's automatically, and it's gonna tell you a diagram with the minimum and the max value of your bundle for the radius. I think after that we're ready to create our 2D model for this one, or flatten. Oh yes, and another tool that you can use, if you go to the view menu, you're going to have the dip effect. This is very helpful because let's suppose you have this and you cannot see the inside of this assemble, so you can just play with the values here. It means when you go in zoom, if you zoom in, you can have a better view. Let me put it 50. Oops, we need a little more. Yeah, there is, as you can see here. if you go zoom in, you can see the inside of the harness. It's still very helpful sometimes too. Oh, okay guys, I hope you understand everything here. You have some questions, and if you want the model, just let me know. And by the way, I'm working on CATIA V5 revision 20, so if you want the model, just let me know, send me an email. Thank you guys, see you later.